Here I have HUAWEI Nova 3 and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the following tutorial from HardReset.Info, and here you have to download a couple of things. So let's download the HUAWEI P20 drivers, and here we've got the full list of drivers. So let's choose the HUAWEI P20 drivers, tap download. Let's also download the mini IDB drivers right here, and it's very important to download two drivers from the IDB and also the FRP unlocker. So here we've got the FRP unlocker website. Let's download the latest one. So everything will be right here. The link to this tutorial will be under the video in the description. So now let's unpack the Unlock FRP. Let's install these two IDB drivers, and also let's install the HUAWEI P20 drivers. Alright, then let's go to your device. As you can see on my screen, after the hard reset operation, the following protection pops up. So if you would like to unlock the device, you have to enter the lock screen password or the Google account password and email. Let me show you how to bypass this. Let's go back to the first screen, and here let's choose emergency. Let's use this code *# 284659 #*#*. The project menu pops up. Let's choose background settings, use the AP log settings. Let's tap open and tap close. Now let's connect your device with the USB-C cable to your computer. So let me connect my device. Alright, now let's choose always allow on this computer, and let's tap OK. That's what we need. Now let's open the Unlock FRP. Sorry, of course, let's open the Unlock FRP with unpack folder right here. As you can see, the device is detected, so it's a good sign. Now all you need to do is just tap unlock. The FRP unlocker is erasing the factory reset protection. As you can see, here you've got the success info, so it's a good sign. Now you can disconnect your device from your USB-C cable. Let's press power key, tap restart, and tap restart again. Let's wait until your device will be ready to use. As you can see, the device just shows you the home screen, so it's a good sign. Now to fully erase the FRP, let's perform the hard reset by using settings. So let's choose settings, scroll down, tap system. Here you need to find and select reset, select factory data reset, choose reset phone, and reset phone one more time. Now the device is performing the hard reset. Let's wait until the process will be completed. Excellent. Now let's press power key to switch on the device. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up. So now let me quickly go through the initializing setup process just to make sure that I can activate my device without the Google account. Tap next. Let me skip connecting to a Wi-Fi. It's a good sign that we can skip it. Let's tap agree a couple of times. Skip protecting the device. Let me choose no thanks to the following options. Tap OK. As you can see, just activate your phone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.